Hello people, today we're going to be checking out the new update of Adopt Me, but the Ladybug update that just came out, and I'm super excited because people have been saying that there are some hidden things in the new update. So I will go just check it out and you will go. Okay, so let's teleport to the gift area right now. Teleport. Teleport. Why can't I? I guess I'll just have to exit my home and ride on my Axel all the way there. Meet you there. Okay, so I will also tell you the location at which the update is situated. So you go from the hot spring area and you go and you'll see this lighthouse thingy and you're supposed to go in. Now. Let's see the ladybugs. Okay, so the grocery store has also been removed and they say that all the grocery store things are here. And this is of Robux. It's not free. Why the hell did Adopt Me do that? So, wait a minute. Let me just go to Glacier. And then let me go Fly Glacier. Bruh, let me fly. So the one thing is that this chill area is just for chilling. It's nothing more than chilling. Glacier, get out of the way. Get out of the way. Look, it's just that. And another thing is about that the cave right there. So we're going to be exploring that cave too. Stop right, Glacier. Let go. Glacier, you're going to be put in timeout if you don't. Okay, let's go. Oh my lord, what is this? Look at this. Waterfall? Does it take me there? No, it is. So, it points that way, but I don't think we should go this way. Or we should. It's just the exit. Where's the... This is the, what is the... I want to see that what's the point of this. Now, we have checked all of the things we have checked all of the things present in the Ladybug update. The Diamond Ladybug, the Golden Ladybug, and the Ladybug. Now, let me go to my professional place. Now let's change into Critical Haven. Now, of this update, one thing I didn't enjoy of this particular update, that everything was of Robux. And another thing I didn't like is that the animation of the pets was poor. Wait, let me type this. The animation of the pets was poor. And another thing that I didn't like about this update is that Why did you move the oldest building and adopt me to something comparable to trash? Like, why did you move the oldest building and adopt me to something comparable to trash? And now the good points. Let me tell you the good points. Good points number one is no, is nothing. No good points about this. Sorry. Okay, so this was my opinion. My opinion. You can't judge my opinion. You can just listen to my opinion. So me and Glacier say a bye to you. Glacier, come here, you stupid. Come. Now, Glacier, say bye. Say bye. Glacier? Ugh, guys, Glacier's being a... He wants a nap. He didn't sleep yesterday because of the movie time. He was too scared to sleep. So now, bye guys, this was my opinion of the, update. Ladybug update. Bye.